Now, dear ones, look upon this world. Look upon what you seek in your heart. You seek around you joy. You seek around you love. For you know within yourself, dear ones, a truth that love exists as you, that love exists here and now. Yet in your experience, dear ones, you may not be able to touch it. You may not feel this truth in the world around you. You may feel lost. You may feel lonely. Yet you know within your heart of hearts, dear one, that you yourself are this love. Yet you cannot find it in the world around you. Yet you seek it. Each and every day, dear ones, you seek for this love. Yet it eludes you. It remains just out of your grasp. Yet you know, dear ones, you know that it exists. You know you can find it. Yet, dear ones, your search for love within this world is a fleeting experience. Temporary experiences of love and fulfillment. Temporary experiences of happiness within this world of changing form. And so, dear ones, it is time. It is time to look within yourself, to find the source of the love that you know exists within all life. Find this source within yourself, and you will never be lost. You will never be forgotten, for you will know yourself as this one love, as the truth of love existing within you, existing within all life. So, dear ones, you must only look within to recognize from where these truths sprang, the truth of love, the truth of immortality. Look within yourself, dear ones, to find the source of this desire. For the truth exists within you. It needs only be realized through your uncovering, through your giving up of all that is falsely covering the truth of who you are. And then, dear ones, you will know that which you've always known within you. You will know the full truth of who you are, as immortal, eternal life, dear ones, as yourself, outside of the realms of causality, existing as pure life, existing as pure love. And so, dear ones, the gift we have for you today is one of uncovering your true self by following that which you already know within your heart, that which you know to be truth, that which you know to be the self. You need not look outside yourself to realize this truth. You need not look outside yourself to find the answers to that which you know within. For you see, dear one, the wisdom that you seek, the desire that you seek to know and experience comes forth from within you. So start there, dear ones. Look within you to see from whence this desire comes. And when you find the source of this desire, dear ones, you will also find the truth of that which you have been seeking.